Hey guys, so I'm on my way to the beach. Well, I'm here just trying to get a good spot. It's pretty empty, like I like it, so I'm so excited. I need this. I'm so excited. So now I gotta walk a little bit. Let me show y'all. I like it when it's like this. Nobody's out, just me. Right now the wind is blowing. It feels okay, like I'm feeling cool, so that's good. It's gonna get a little warmer within a couple more hours, so it's like 70s. So I know back home it's about to reach 88 over there, so while it reaches like 88 at home over by the beach, I guess because we're by the water, it'll be like up to 78. So I'm happy. I see one little group over there. That's it. It's just them, and I'll be on this side. It's pretty empty. Like lifeguards ain't out here yet. They have like a pool. The pool is not open yet. That doesn't open till 10. So I'm out here early in the morning before everything's open. I see people cutting grass, like just getting the park. Well, it is a park. The beach ready. Yeah, I'm trying to see what side I want to be on. I might be over on this side. I hear a loud noise. Is that the waves? I'm thinking somebody was cutting grass or something just now, doing something over there. That's the waves being that loud. Oh, wow. ASMR, I guess. Hold on, let me take my shoes off.
Blame her. Can you blame her? I am the main her.
My new bitch look like Ladybug, but she don't love me, she too scary.
Hey y'all, so I'm here at the beach. I don't know if you guys can hear me. I'll try to talk loud. So let me do some stretches. We got the waves in the back. So it's empty like I like. Nobody's here, nobody's bothering me. Get some of the sand off my knees. Sand is a natural defoliant. So, okay, we're here. Let me sit. It's so peaceful. Temperature, it's like comfortable. It's not hot, it's not cold. The sun is strong, of course. coming. Alright, while more people come, I guess we could chat, because, you know, I don't want everybody staring at me. You know, I got a cute little cover up. Oh, let me come closer. I got a cute little cover up I can show you guys. Like, for me to feel more comfortable if people come around. I got this. Hold on. I think I might go live too. Maybe. Because I might need this time just to sit peaceful. And I do need to chat about some things, so. Did I bring it? Yeah, I brought it. Let me show you guys. I got these little shorts. Oh, I forgot to bring my sun hat. That's what I forgot to bring. Which one is the front? Which is the back? Okay, this is the front. Hold on, y'all. I got this. Because, you know, this video is showing a lot, so. Just so I'm not showing too much when people's walking by. How's this? That's a little better. And I got my shades. Hold on, let me show you guys. I should take a picture like this too. Better angle. I know people probably trying to decide where they're gonna go. The single people need to come on this side. The family people need to go on the other side. But yeah, I'm feeling myself, y'all. I'm really feeling myself. Like, I'm feeling good. All right, let's get to the chatting, because it's time we chat. So hold on. Tell me why I thought people was coming like part of a group. That's the lifeguards. I'm like, who are them people? I got some shit. The thing about chips, I won't know if it's salt or sand. Wait, are they like birds? I don't know who these people are. No, I think so. Oh no, they're not. Oh no, they ain't mind my business. I mean, mind my business. Oh, I'm hungry, y'all. This is first meal of the day. But I do have fruit. I eat fruit too. Alright. We gotta chat. So let me get y'all informed with what's been going on. Alright, so lately I've been going to work chilling. New co-workers. Hold on, I gotta make sure I do like this so I can get a little tan. Make sure I can see fine. Yeah. So new co-workers, seasonal people, meeting people. I met people who are in town just to stay with family because they go back to school. And I'm learning when people do go back to school, they consider like they from there in a way. They're like, oh yeah, I go to school there, so I'm from there. I'm like, oh okay. And honestly, lately with retail, It's been okay. People, oh God. Somebody said to me, they say, I'm starting to think they come to work because the parents are saying, you get a job or you're out of here at this point. The parents are trying to make these younger people be a little more responsible, you know, have a drive for themselves, make some money for themselves. So they come to work, they really don't want to be there. And it shows in the attitude, it shows with what they do. It's like, dang, like, come on. But hey, I've been there, done that. I've been like that. Oop. If I don't move this, the birds will come. So it's like, dang. A lot of people who are like great workers do what they're supposed to. A lot of them are quitting because they have to pick up the slack of the ones who don't want to do anything, and no one's like reinforcing on the ones who don't do anything to do something. It's like they're not scared of the manager. You're like, I don't care, I'm not listening to you. And I can't tell people what to do. That's not my role. I don't get paid for that. I shouldn't have to do no more than I have to. It's like, it's ridiculous. I'm just randomly talking. I'm so hungry. So it got me thinking about my last job. That's why I left. Not my last job, the job before that one maybe. I left that job because we had no store manager there. Things was just all over the place. People didn't want to work. I had to pick up the slack. And I got fed up. And I left. So now a lot of people who... Am I witnessing a photo shoot? Oh, these might be professional photographers with some model. Wait, let me show you guys. Right there, if you look close enough, they got cameras and stuff. They got the whole shebang. She might be a model. They trying to do something for a magazine, swimsuit. That might be a celebrity. I don't even know who that is if I get closer. Wow, that's hilarious. Long Island is, yeah, they got the professional lights. Yeah, this is a crew. This is a photography crew doing a photo shoot. That's so funny. I take my photos myself, y'all. When I post them, please like them up and support me. You know, I'm an independent, not by choice, but no other option. I'm trying to take a drink. Not really supposed to have this. Yeah, support my photos. Like them up, comment, share, subscribe, y'all. We're gonna make it out. Like when I see things like this motivates me. It motivates me. Like, she get paid to take them photos, so it's like, wow. And she's also probably selling someone's swimwear. Like, wow. It's beautiful. It's amazing. Oh, why is he a security guard? Oh, I don't know who that is. Yeah. So, now I forgot what I was talking about. Let's talk about my dreams now. See how I'm talking about work where I'm at and where I want to be? That would be amazing. At the beach like I am now. Taking some photos for someone, being a model for someone. Oh, I should copy her poses too. Okay, I'm gonna take notes. I'm gonna take notes. She's sitting against the water, sitting on the side, legs up like this. I'll show you. It's like this, arm over like that. I'm gonna take to some of those poses. She got her head down, head and her knees. It's cute. So, yeah. Oh yeah. Ranger, beach stranger. He's looking, being nosy. Stranger just wanted to see what they was doing. So, yeah, they getting all our ankles right. No, I'm sorry, y'all. I'm being nosy. He looking too, like, who is that? Is she a but yeah, I did my nails. I didn't even take any pics of showing my nails. Hold on. Alright, that's just might be a thumbnail. I just want to show my nails. Hold on, I want to show my toes too. Hey y'all. I was on live not too long ago. I got some leftover fruits. So let's chat. I want that cantaloupe. I want to take a photo with it. I'm over here doing the most. Hold on. So I was, oh my gosh, hold on y'all. Hold on. My bad girl, I had to text my manager. That's how it be sometimes. We want to, hold on. Oh, my bad, y'all. Oh, sand be everywhere. Dang, I don't know when I should start heading back. I don't know if I want to just lay in the sun a little more. I might just lay in the sun a little bit. It's just a chill day. I don't even like, I don't know. My brain don't even want to think. It don't even want to. My brain is like, girl, just relax. So that's what I'm about to do, y'all. I'm gonna share some photos with y'all. Yeah. But my brain just wants to relax. I've been drinking this. Oh. And the chaser is some fruit. I'm gonna just chill. They're giving me an idea. I might come back and take some pictures like this, but like I would need somebody to take pictures from me and stuff like that. And y'all know how it is when I try to deal with photographers. I don't know. They like to play in my face. Don't want to give me the beautiful artwork that I make because it's me in the photos. I don't know. I just got to deal with someone strictly business. And in that case, I always hear horror stories about that. You gotta pay the person, or they're late editing it, and this and that. It's like people, I don't know, people just like being gatekeepers of things. I don't know. I'm not a gatekeeper of anything. I'll tell you anything. What do you want to know? Let me know. I'll tell you. Like, what is there to hide out on? What's for you is for you at the end of the day. Yeah, I'm not gonna block no blessings, anything, and someone else certainly is not gonna block any for me. So, oh, it looks so cute right now. Sometimes I just admire myself, and I'm like, wow, so cute. My skin feels a little hot. I think I'm heating up. I think I'm getting a tan. So I'm gonna just sunbathe. I'm gonna lay like this. Hold on. I'm gonna lay like this. Hold on. Cover up the fruit so the animals don't get tempted. Lay like this. Oh, that felt amazing. Oh my gosh. Just doing that for like a few little seconds. I felt like I was transported. Oh my gosh, guys. I'm about to do that. But I don't want to keep you guys for so long. Oh my goodness. I'm about to just lay. I heard the waves. I heard like, I don't know. I don't know if I felt like I was in a womb again. Oh my goodness. That was amazing. Okay, I'm gonna lay back down and do that again. Oh, I'll be back. Wow. I'm about to finally touch the water. Let's see if it's cold. Oh, it's freezing. Oh. It's freezing. Oh my goodness. I gotta go to work after this. I just decided to go in a little later. Look at me adulting. Instead of calling out, I was like, I'll just go in a little later. It won't be too bad. It won't be too bad. It'll be okay. But yeah, that water's freezing. If it was like super hot, then you know, you get in the cold water, you feel good, but I'm not freezing, so I'm not super hot. And yeah, I just been sunbathing. Sorry, this video a little all over the place. I've been in and out. I'm tipsy. I'm just feeling good. It's one of those days where it's like you kind of want to keep to yourself, but at the same time I want to make content. So it's like, Unless you got a cameraman following you around, how can I enjoy the moment and record at the same time? So yeah, I'm just sunbathing. Oh, let me take the shorts back off. I think I'm getting a tan, y'all. So I'm kind of happy. I'm happy because I'm getting a tan. And then I'll know, because when I move my bikini, I think I see the difference. Tan skin versus my regular skin tone. I like it. It's been laying out like this. I guess I'll stay out here like maybe another hour. And then I'll head back home. And then start getting ready for work. And I'll be there, I guess, for the whole afternoon. But for the evening, I'll get there I got a little wiggle room. So I guess I'll get there like towards like late afternoon, evening. I think yeah, I'll do that. Drinking my little Moscato. Yeah, I feel good. Honestly, I'm living the life that I can appreciate. So I'm grateful. Why I feel emotional. I feel like I got these shades on. My eyes probably tearing up. Moments like this. Guys, look what made its way near me. The ladybug. How did it get on me? Like, I love you, but you gotta go. Wow, I guess I truly did get the good luck. How did it find its way back? If you was on the live, you know. This ladybug keeps finding me. Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh my god, it doesn't want to leave me. I used to have a piggy bank that was this color ladybug when I was little. Wow, this ladybug is unstoppable. It will find its way. Okay, I'm accepting the good fate. Wow. This ladybug does not want to leave. I guess I'm gonna bring the ladybug to the grass, and maybe she will survive by the grass. It like does not want to leave me. So let me start packing up and then bring it to the grassy part over there. So the ladybug made its way inside like a little crevice area of my stand. So I'm about to just take it to the grass and shake it out. So my purpose at the beach today was to save a ladybug. So yeah, I'm gonna go to the grass, shake it out, and then it should be safe after that. Wow, I can't believe it. Okay, ladybug made it to some grass. Hopefully it'll be okay. Are you okay? Are you alive? Should be. I could put some. Okay, it's moving. It's alive. It's alive. Whew. Hey guys, I need a nap now. I just talked to the security guard. He said, yeah, they're doing a photo shoot for some swimwear. I was like, wow. He's like, yeah. He said they might take some pictures inside the pool area too. He said they even bought some ice cream for props, but it was melting. As somebody, I guess, would want to buy it. I'm like, yeah, I don't know about that, because this might be too hot for ice cream. It's gonna melt. But that's so nice. Hopefully I run into the photos online. It comes across my path somehow. Oh, I'm gonna sit in some shade. Whew. Today was fun. Oh, I think I did get a tan. Wait, I look so sun-kissed right now. Wait a minute, hold on. Hold on. Let's see the tan line. You see the difference? Yeah, I did get a tan. Wow, guys, my first tan. Yeah, I can see it. Can you guys see it? I can see it. This is nice. Wow. So I'm gonna go home, eat a little more, take a quick nap, and then I'm gonna go to work, come home, sleep, get back up, go to work, then sleep. And then what I got going on, I got my niece's birthday coming up, so then go to my niece's birthday and then sleep, and then I think I finally get a day off. This was nice. Let me see how far my Uber is, guys, because yes, I did have to take Uber out here, so let me check. Wow, I really got a tan. My Cheeto tongue. Wow, I finally got a tan. I should stand in the sun a little more and get a little more tan. All right, let me check my Uber.